Today on Prompt to App, we are going to build a request for quote app from scratch with just one prompt. Procurement teams often face RFQs from multiple suppliers, approvals stuck in various inboxes, and data scattered across spreadsheets, which usually slows down the entire sourcing process. The good news? We don't need to build this from scratch. With Zoho Creator, a single prompt can generate an application prototype to manage the RFQ workflow of the procurement process at a company. With the help of Zia, we're building an app that helps us keep all the RFQs and supplier records in a central repository, route RFQs through rule-based approvals, provide a secure mobile or web portal for suppliers, and much more. Once we give our prompt to Zia, the app gets built on the backend. We can already see use cases like initiating RFQs based on purchase requests and procurement plans, setting up multi-user, multi-stage approval workflows for RFQs. And all of this is being generated automatically. And here we go, our app is ready. It lets us initiate RFQs based on purchase requests, procurement plans, and company-defined criteria that follow all formatting and legal standards. It can pass RFQs through multi-user, multi-stage approval workflows, routing them to different stakeholders like legal, finance, or procurement based on predefined business rules, while keeping a full audit trail. And that's it. You've got an app to manage the request for quote workflow at your company up and running in minutes. You'll find the prompt we used in the description below. Just paste it into Zoho Creator to get started, or write your own prompt and build the app your own way.